Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell in the afternoon, and we trade live. Everything you see here is real, genuine, my real trades, my real positions, my real money, and we're joined by traders and investors around the world every day, equally sharing their live positions and their live trades. But today, of course, is a very special day. It is the funeral of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. We've been paying tribute to the Queen for the last 10 days, and this is the final day. And I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning here in the US watching and taking part in the funeral. And me and my wife Leah have been watching it, and the scale of it is unbelievable. If you've been watching it today, you'll see and understand what I'm saying. It's still going on. It's incredible. I've watched many processions of royalty, but nothing at the scale of this today. Quite incredible. So we're going to get into our trades today. We decided to run today because the markets are in all kinds of trouble. It seems from this morning, from when the funeral began, the markets collapsed again. We've seen massive drops again today. So as you can see, right now we're down again, and this is after a week of a downtrend. Of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum collapsed last night, and they're heading down. Anyone's guess of how low it's going to go. But anyway, if you've just tuned in over there on TikTok, welcome. We're on YouTube right now. Our main traders are on YouTube. If you click the profile here, you can come in and join us. But thank you very much for joining me over there on TikTok. What a morning it is. So let's bring everybody into the live stream. Who was here first this morning? Let's see who's with me this morning. And let's get straight into our positions. And here we go. We've got everybody with us right now, starting to come in. And let's go and look across at our stocks. When we all arrive, we have an announcement to make. Okay, so the overall portfolio, as you can see, is crashing again now. I took some profits from Virgin Orbit today to protect my portfolio. I was in profit. And I've cancelled some buy orders that was set to buy several of these stocks, but we could go a lot lower before this is over. So I'm holding my position of Virgin Galactic. I'm not buying any more yet until I see it dramatically fall. I'm not selling it either, but I'm not going to jump straight in because I've got an average now of 559, so 524 really isn't low enough. Good morning, Mike, over on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. Lovely to have you with me. Thank you very much indeed. I've no idea why these names are coming down there. Let me just bear with me. Put that up there. I don't know why that's down there. That's better. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. Welcome, Uganda Wildlife Society. We have to schedule your online fundraiser as well. Contact me through Discord and we'll arrange that for you. Tesla, down. I'm holding it. And Rivian, Bill, good morning. Lucid, Polestar. We've got just under an hour to go now before the markets open, and we are seeing a dramatic sell-off again this morning. How low can things go? Well, the answer is 0. That's how low they can go, despite fans of certain assets who don't believe that's possible. Good morning, Bill. Good afternoon. Robinhood is down this morning. McDonald's is down as well, 0.36. Coca-Cola is down but moving up. Johnson & Johnson down but moving up. I'm only 0.86 away now from being in the money with Johnson & Johnson, which is nice. Google down 0.99. Microsoft down 0.88, 4% down. Google, I'm down nearly 7%. Absolutely want to buy some more Google. It's not anywhere near big enough part of my portfolio. I'm waiting to buy some more. But we're holding fire for the minute. Meta is all kinds of trouble, down 13%, but I don't want to chase this stock at all. SoFi, down 5%. Good afternoon, guys. Dwayne Palmer, good afternoon. I don't know if we're going to get our UK audience today because the funeral is continuing. The main funeral is now over. I've just watched it, and I've been up since 4 a.m. this morning. It's 7:30 in the morning now here in the US, but I've been up watching it. PayPal is down 1.28. Rolls-Royce is down 2.29. Walmart is down 0.5%, but I'm still up 8% on it. Target is down today 0.78. Tesco is up today 0.38. Very good to see that finally. I'm down 4% on it. I'm happy to hold that. Got dividends coming out soon, so that's good. Good. Hello from Uganda, Dynasty. Good afternoon. On semiconductor, down 1.65 this morning. Still up 31%. Tilray Brands down 0.5% this morning. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. We're now moving into our crypto. Ginkgo Bioworks. If you want to join us here on YouTube, that's our main broadcast, click the profile link just up here and it will bring you to my main YouTube broadcast, which is what this screen is here, by the way. Okay. Enphase Energy down 0.36 today. Enphase Energy down 0.36, but I'm still up another 9%. On the 65%, I'm already up, so 75% on Enphase Energy. Just holding my position. Bitcoin SV, here we go. Moving on to our crypto. We had a big sell-off this morning, but we have gained something back this morning, but nothing. And people get so excited on YouTube when they see a slight upswing on crypto. It really is not valid. We've had a huge sell-off. It's nothing really. But anyway, people do get excited. But we're now down today 0.5%. It was lower than that, but there we go. Ethereum is down to 1,315 now. And it's just up now today, slightly. We've recovered a little bit. But there we go. Anyway. So, who's just joined us? We've got Bill on the screen here. Good morning. Good afternoon, Dwayne. Good afternoon, Uganda. And Mike over there on Twitch. Welcome to all of you. Fantastic. So we've got just 40 minutes to go now before the bell goes. We're just starting to see a slight upturn. We've had a massive drop. It happened at 6 o'clock this morning. An hour and a half ago, the markets crashed down. In fact, it started about 4, but I couldn't access it until about 6. About 2.5 hours ago, the markets collapsed. Good morning. S&P 500 is close to hitting its low for July. We have not hit bottom until the Fed announce where they are heading. Yes, now on Wednesday, we are covering the report. We are covering it, and this is my prediction. This is after studying and reading, and I've come to the conclusion, if we hit 0.75, which most people think we will, and the market has priced in a 0.75 position, 75 basis points, the markets will probably rally. Why? Because the markets have priced it in. They're expecting 0.75, and it shows the continual efforts of the Fed to take control of inflation. They're expecting it, and of course, if we apply higher interest rates, it will eventually beat inflation, and the markets will benefit from that. It's a bit of a, swallowing the poison, if you like, whatever, the medicine, that's what I was trying to say. So the market is expecting 0.75, so if we get 0.75, it'll probably rally. If we get 0.5%, which is extremely unlikely, the markets will really rally. Okay? However, 1 in 5 chance now, I'm predicting a 1% rise, and if we get a 1% rise, then the markets are going to go a lot lower. And we've already had huge sell-offs, so it'll be quite violent on Wednesday. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have my S&P 500 ready to sell all of it, even though I'm down 3%, all of it. And I'll be listening in live. We'll all be listening in live. And if we get a 1%, it'll drop like a stone. So what I will do is I will be listening with my finger on the button, and the moment if he says 1%, then I will sell, because it will drop. I can then, even though I'm down at the moment $480, which is 3.2%, I will then buy back later on in the day for less. So I will remove part of the loss, if you like, and buy it back. But if it's 75% basis points, I will hold my position and I won't do anything, and it'll probably go up. So that's the only way to do it. If you wait for the announcement and then think what you're going to do afterwards, it's too late. It's gone. You have to have your sell order in place, and the moment they say, 1%, you've got to understand what that means. What that means is the market's going to crash. Now, there's no guarantee of that. There's not 100% evidence of that, but that's what I think will happen. But that's what I think is going to happen, and that's my action. Now, the best thing to do, like we've seen today in Queen Elizabeth's funeral, is planning is everything. You have to know what your procedure is, and you have to know what your approach is, and how you're gonna execute. If you wait for a knee reaction, you'll get fearful. You won't know what's going on. You'll see the markets drop, then you'll sell, then you'll lose money, and then it'll pop back up again, and you'll be out. You've got to go at the moment they say it. The moment Jerome Powell says 1%, boom, gone. Because the rest of the market will, and you'll be caught with your trousers down. So you need to decide. Now, you could decide, no, I don't want to do that, because what will happen is it will drop, people will buy in, it'll come up again. Then don't. But what you don't want to do is react. You want to pro-react. You want to be prepared for what you're going to do. Anyway, consolidating, good move. Church likes that one. Hello all, sad day. It is indeed. I was up 4 o'clock this morning. I've just been watching the funeral. What a procession. The royal family must be absolutely exhausted. Sorry, Martin, I've just joined. What is going to cause that on Wednesday? Jerome Powell is speaking on Wednesday, and we're expecting 75 basis points increase, which isn't great, but the markets have priced it in. If we do, however, get 1%, and 1 in 5 think we will, the markets are going to fall through the floor. Put options all week. I know it's going to 1% inflation, barely moved. Americans aren't patient. Exactly. They're not patient, and as I expressed last week, the market here in the US is extremely volatile, and people are very reactive. I prefer proactive, which is more my approach, deciding what I'm going to do rather than react to what's actually happening. I've already made my decision of how I'm going to react. So be proactive rather than reactive, I think. Because you'll always do the wrong thing. Always, because you'll be just working with fear. Anyway, I want to welcome all our guests in. We've got one of our badge members in here today. Fantastic. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much indeed. I am going to see now if I can do this during my show. I want to see if I can. Comment settings. Allow comments. Only subscribers can comment. Right. That's it. That's right. It's a exclusive members only event today on TikTok. Only my subscribers can comment and ask me questions. So if you've got a question, please feel free to ask me and I'll answer it for you. But it is a member exclusive event today. And I believe we've got most people in right now. So I'd like to do something we've never done before on the show. And what we're going to do, because I've been following, we've been honouring the Queen all week, and today is the funeral. I watched it this morning, and on the hour, which is in 14 minutes from now, on the hour, we will hear on the Day Trader have a 1 minute silence. We was going to not run our show today, but we decided that people needed it. We need to get back to work. Everyone needs support. Everyone's losing money. So I made the decision this morning to run the show, but I think it would be nice to honour in our way with a 1 minute silence at 8 a.m., which will be in 14 minutes from now. Now, Virgin Orbit, I sold this morning for a profit, down to 1 share again, with the news of the markets crashing as they were. To protect, I've kept my Tesla. I haven't changed anything there. Rivian, I've kept that. I've kept everything. The only thing I sold this morning was Virgin Orbit. I haven't even sold Virgin Galactic, and I would buy more, but it hasn't gone low enough yet. The overall market now is at, I'll share with you now, down 1.32. This is my overall position. And we're preparing for Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be very difficult. And of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum now have completely collapsed. People are already getting excited, saying, hey, it's fantastic. Crypto's gone back up again. It's not. It's nothing at all. It's 24-hour trading. It's very volatile. It's a few cents either way. This is nothing at all. It is going down, and I'm extremely confident of that. Anyway, S&P 500 coming up. Let me read some of these comments. Afternoon, says Stephen Rowe. If you'd like to join us on YouTube and you'd like to comment, you can be a subscriber, hit the little star button up here, or you can click there's a star, see it? Click the star, become a subscriber. You get many, many perks and benefits as a subscriber. I make a video for you and I invite my 25,000 followers to subscribe and follow your channel. I put your channel on this screen here, make a video after this broadcast, put on my profile, share with you, and it gets you more followers. We don't do follow for follow here on the Day Trader, but I do follow all my subscribers and my members on YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast. All right, so if you want to be part of it, you can click subscribe, be part of it, or you can jump onto YouTube and the link's up here. We've got a cash prize every Friday. We're giving away a cash prize this Friday, as we do every Friday, and it's free to enter and free for all. And be very, very wary of the scammers on TikTok as well. I am the only real Martyn Lucas. They spell my name correctly. They never go live. They have the same number of followers because they do follow for follow, which doesn't mean anything at all. You have no engagement. I go live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. I'm always here. All right. Hi, I'm new to trading. Any tips? Ben Penalva. Welcome to you, Ben. It's a very big question that you ask me, but come over onto YouTube, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. All right. You're on Facebook. My YouTube channel is over there. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. And for TikTok, the link's in the profile. Okay. Now then, we are just approaching 10 to 8 now in the morning. Don't trade yet is my tip. Yeah. That's, well, I don't know about that. If I wasn't in the markets now, I've been in and I'm down like nearly 50% over the last year, over the last 6 months. I would be buying now if I wasn't in at all, and I'd be dollar cost averaging on the way down. So absolutely I'd be in. I've just sold my Virgin Orbit though, just so everyone knows. Anyway, here's our crypto. Here, this is my real position. Enphase Energy, I'm holding it. Wait till next year. See, I wouldn't do that either. I wouldn't do that. I don't think you achieve and win anything by sitting on the sidelines, unless you're super rich and you can put your money in very, very high interest rate bank accounts. Otherwise, I think you should be in the market. I know for a fact that Warren Buffett is buying like crazy now. Just keep buying on the way down. This is a great time to buy. No, I'm not trying to time the market. Absolutely not trying to time the market at all. I'm just staying invested all the time. Just keep adjusting my positions. Risk tolerance is a thing. Risk tolerance is everything. You have to control your position totally. Totally agree with you there. Buy, Dwayne Palmer. Well, buy the right things and know when to sell them. Warren Buffett has money to lose. Exactly. Everyone has a completely different situation. And I get asked all the time, what should I do with my money? And you can't do what I do because my situation is not yours at all. Right, okay. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. What we need to do, as you know, we've got twice as many people watching right now than have liked the video. So let's get everyone now to share and like the video. So here it comes. We've got 1 minute from now. We want to get 25 likes. 25 likes. Here we go. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said it. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Tap the screen. We're trying to get 25 likes on YouTube, and we're trying to get 1,000 likes on TikTok. Tap the screen and click the share button just down there. We've got 35 seconds to go. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said it. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. Stand up, say please. Stand up, will the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. There we go. Smash the like button. 20 likes. We need 5 more likes. There we go. Not so bad at all. Let's end the timer. Not too bad. Stephen Rose says liked. Okay. The overall portfolio starting to come up again. Slightly improving. We had a massive sell-off this morning. Let me share with you my main trading screen. This is where we are right now. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining me over on TikTok. Thanks for all the follows. We've now gone through 25,000 followers. And if you'd like to grow like me on TikTok, click the subscribe, see the little star just there. And you can ask me questions in the live chat. You can ask me to review stocks. Subscribers get exclusive content. Plus, subscribers also get, I make a video for you at the end of the show, put you on the channel here on the screen, and invite 25,000 people to follow your video, your channel, and that lives on my channel permanently. Thanks for all the subscribers coming in now. Fantastic. I will get to work at the end of this show and subscribe and follow you back and make your video to promote your channel. Okay? All right. Ben Panalva, I'm here now. Thanks. Watching from New Zealand. Thank you very much indeed. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Ben is a new guest here this morning. We've got another guest here, Cape Coral, Florida here. Avi Joey Blackmore. How are you, Avi Joey? Aren't you my... You're one of my new subscribers on TikTok. Thanks for coming over from YouTube. Thank you very much indeed, Avi Joey. For those of you on TikTok, go and check out on my profile. I've got a playlist right at the top called Superfans, and Avi Joey's one of those, and he's one of my subscribers. I've made a video promoting his channel. Go and follow him, and he'll probably follow you back. And we're here to help all our subscribers and members on YouTube. I thought you were. Lovely to have you here. Okay, we're getting ready now for the markets to open. We've got just over half an hour to go now. So first of all, what we need to do is bring everybody up to date with a very quick 10-second commercial break. You can skip the ad and come straight back. Here we go. And we are back. Less than 10 seconds. There you go. Right, the overall portfolio is slowly moving up. You can see it has picked up a little bit. We were down nearly 3%. S&P 500, Virgin Galactic. I didn't buy anything this morning. It's not low enough to invest any more money right now. Virgin Orbit, I took a profit. I sold all my shares of Virgin Orbit. I will buy it when it goes lower. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It doesn't matter. It's all about risk management. Very, very important. Bill, thank you, Bill. All my Luca Badge owners, my subscribers, ask me any question you like. I will answer exclusively all my subscribers' comments on TikTok. If you want to join me on YouTube, the link's in the profile. Just call me Joey. Joey, thank you very much indeed. I will. Lovely to have you here. Could everybody please welcome in our guest? Joey is a subscriber on TikTok. He's not a member of our family yet. You can see we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. That's official of any channel. The more people that watch the live are members here than any other channel. 95% of our viewers that watch me here on YouTube are actually members. And you can see that. Now, Joey, if you'd like to be a member of our channel, we offer a membership plan where I give you 20 times back what you put in. I go to work for you here on YouTube. This is the home of our shows here on YouTube. There's the invitation to join, and I promise you, you will love it. 95% of who watches our live shows are members. Okay, we've got 3 minutes to go before the hour. And it will be a quiet show today because our UK audience are probably watching the funeral. I watched it already this morning, and we decided to be here because people need this show and the community that we provide. Scuba diver. So let's welcome our guests in. Stephen Lewandowski is from Florida. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. All the members can have a 20-minute concert or a birthday celebration or whatever. All goes on in here. We've raised a lot of money for our charities. Let me give you a wave. I'm from Dallas, Texas, even though I'm originally from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, where I will be on the 15th of October, making the Virgin Orbit film. And, of course, it will be our annual leave as well. So we've got special events going on. They are going around London now. Yes, I've been watching it. I've just this moment taken a break to start the show. We have just 2.5 minutes to go. Ruben Carrillo is over on Facebook. How are you, Ruben? Come and join us here on YouTube. I'd love you to meet my family here on YouTube. Come and join us. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. youtube.com/thedaytrader1, or the YouTube channel is on my profile on Facebook. Come and join us. Love you to meet my family. Okay. The overall portfolio is just starting to turn up. Okay, we're coming up now to our respect to the Queen on the hour. We decided to go live, but we are going to honour the Queen and give a 1-minute silence. Big red lines are coming, says Paul B. We've already had a big drop this morning, but there's more to come, I'm sure. The overall portfolio is down, but improving. The S&P, Virgin Galactic. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Power and Beauty. Wonderful to have you here. Hey, Sam, I think you should sing Candle in the Wind. Of course, I can do requests, as you all know. If anybody wants a musical request during the show, you can have a musical request. Our members, it's a $10 super chat to cover the copyright of this video. Right, we're coming up now to a minute silence for Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. And we will just pause this show for just 1 moment. On the hour, which is in 10 seconds from now, I will go quiet for 1 minute. Thank you very much for your respect. I appreciate nobody commented as well. That was wonderful. Thank you very much indeed. All right, we're just 29 minutes ago now before the bell goes. The market has slightly recovered this morning. We're down a lot lower. We're holding above 36,000 right now. And we've got a decent audience here this morning on YouTube. I actually thought would be very extremely quiet because our UK audience are probably not watching now. But it's wonderful to have you all here with me. Thank you so much. Virgin Galactic down 0.75. Virgin Orbit I sold. Tesla holding up. This is good. Rivian doing well this morning. I've not sold Rivian because it keeps bouncing back. It likes the price where it's at. Same with Lucid. Polestar, well, I'm down 30%. I'm doing nothing there. Arrival, I'm staying out of it for now. Thank you, Sam. Sam says, you're on my iPad and I'm watching the funeral on the TV. Apple is up down 0.71, but rising. Robinhood down 1.27 today. McDonald's is down 0.36. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, 0.48 down. So let's run a poll in our chat right now. We're going to run a poll on YouTube. So if you'd like to be part of our poll, the link's here right now. We're going to ask you what you think the interest rate is going to be. It's a subscriber-only event here today on TikTok. I'm answering all your questions, reviewing the stocks you want me to, making videos on the stocks you want me to. On TikTok, you need to be a subscriber. Click the little star here. It's exclusive. So let's run a poll now on YouTube. If you want to be on YouTube, the link's in the profile just here. Okay, so let's run a poll. The FOMC report, we are covering it live on Wednesday, of course, as we always do. So, rate hike. Rate hike, question mark. Is it going to be 0.5%? That would be amazing. 0.75%. That would be as expected, and that would still be okay for the markets. Or 1%. 1 in 5 say that, but don't let that influence your opinion. That would be a disaster for the markets. Even if it now wasn't bad enough, it would get a lot worse. Okay, ask the community. There you go. All right, there you go. If you'd like to take part in our poll, just click the profile and come into YouTube. Links in the profile. Like to get some more Google, down 7% now, but not just yet. It's all about risk management at the moment. Google, $99 is a steal. I know. I know. I'm very close to buying it. It's my lowest. It's my worst performing asset percentage-wise. So when people talk about rebalancing their portfolio, that's what we're talking about. Google is down 7%. It's one of my worst positions. So if I bought, for example, now 12 shares of Google, I would be down 3%. That would bring it in line with everything else other than Meta. I'm taking Meta out of the equation because Meta could fail. So I'm not really sort of thinking about Meta too much. But Google certainly isn't going anywhere. So this is a good buy now for Google. Now you might go, as Church said, 99. That's so close to 102. Knowing where Google can go. And if you step back and get some perspective, at its peak, we were at 149 before all this drama. So there's 50% growth there, even at this position. So at the end of the day, this is a good price for Google, but I have to protect myself at the moment. Don't overreaching. It's all about risk management. Anyone can make money on the stock market. A monkey can make money on the stock market. The hard part is to keep it. It's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Anyway, Meta won't fail either, really, honestly. Google just have to finish the lawsuits out and it will shoot up. Yeah, I mean, you say Meta won't fail. We don't know. I mean, MySpace disappeared. You know, Facebook, formerly Meta, of course it can fail. I mean, it's possible. You just got to like think. We know its size, we know its ad revenue potential, but it all comes down to whether people like the metaverse. If people don't buy into the metaverse, and I have to be honest, I won't. I've got no interest in it whatsoever. I know I'm an old fuddy-duddy, and maybe what do I know? But I'm not interested in it, but I am interested in making money, and I think it belongs in my portfolio. I just entered it too soon. MySpace wasn't publicly traded, that's why it failed, and Tom went to work on Facebook. And Tom went to work on Facebook with Mark. Oh, okay. No, I'm just keeping an open mind. I mean, you know, anyone under 20 will be all over. I agree with that. I think, I totally agree. The younger generation will love it. It's not for me. But anyway, we shall see. You know, you can only judge from your own experiences, right? We're not here to promote anything or hype anything. We're just telling the truth. And I mean, we all share our opinions. And my experience of Facebook is useless. Shad would disagree. He's a partner on Facebook and he gets a lot out of it. I get nothing out of Facebook. Zero. Doesn't do me anything at all. And no matter how hard I try. But I would sell out. But I would sell out of Meta. Well, I mean, I could. Sorry, where's Meta right now? Meta is here. I'm $155 down, which is not a huge amount. Not a huge amount. I mean, I could sell that, take the loss, and walk away with $1,000 and put it back in the bank and do something else with it. I mean, buy Google, right? Buy Google with it. But the thing is, Meta belongs in the S&P 500. So whether we like it or not, at the moment, it belongs in the S&P 500. Maybe, if it performs badly, it could be removed. Anything can be removed if it doesn't perform, and you know, fine. I do think Facebook is too big to fail. There are so many parts of Meta, and some may not work out, but they won't be going anywhere anytime soon. Sell and buy Rolls-Royce, says Stephen Rowe. Let's have a look at our poll. I wonder if anyone from TikTok is taking part in our poll this morning. Let's have a little look. Let's have some results right now. Only 15% of you think 0.5. I have to agree with that. I don't think hardly anybody thinks 0.5%. It'd be great, but I don't think anybody thinks that. The majority are thinking 0.75. And if that happens on Wednesday, the markets will go up because that's what the markets are priced in. That's what they're expecting. Interesting to see, though, that 43% of you, so nearly half, are saying 1%, which is very, very scary, actually, because 1 in 5 analysts think it will go up to 1%, whereas here on the Day Trader, you're saying just about 43% going to 1%. That would be really, really bad. The markets would absolutely pummel if that happened. So let's not hope for that. That wouldn't be very helpful at all. Anyway, Mr. Clockwork, hello, good people. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Sell and buy Rolls Royce, he says. Anyway, it's coming up to 20 minutes before the bell goes. So we're just going to run a very quick commercial break. Skip the ad. You won't miss anything. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. My buddy. Hello, Church of Logic. Hello, good people. Mr. Clocky. Good morning, everybody over on TikTok. We've got a great audience this morning. Thanks for following me. 25,000 of you now on TikTok. If you click the subscribe and you get exclusive content, you can ask me to review stocks live in the show, ask me questions live on the show. It's a member-only event. We do everything for our members. I follow my subscribers back, plus I make you a commercial video, put your channel up here and promote your channel and record it and post it to my profile and share you in it. And it introduces your profile on TikTok to 25,000 of my followers, and it really helps your channel. I do that for all my subscribers. Okay, Mr. Clockwork said, Church of Logic, hello there, buddy. Jasmine tanked real good, but that does not scare us, right? It shouldn't ever scare you, because you should have been aware of it in the first place, as I am with Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not scared. I'm not fearful, and I'm not FOMO either. I'm not desperate to get back in. I'll get in when I'm ready. And if I miss the pump, it doesn't matter. My money's working somewhere else. Another 6,000 comes off Bitcoin, and Jasmine Japan's regulated crypto coin will be primed for buying. There we go. Paul B. Good morning, everyone. Let's have a great day. Mason Kirk. Thank you very much indeed. About to load up next month. Church of Logic. Now, traditionally, whether you are a believer of this or not, traditionally, September is a bad month for crypto. Traditionally, it's a bad month for all the stocks. So, December should be better, but December last year wasn't so great. So it's not a guaranteed fact because of history. Again, same as charts. They're not a guaranteed fact of anything. Okay. Just 45 minutes to go. How many of you today, I watched the funeral. I was up at 4 a.m. this morning, so I'm extremely tired this morning. How many of you watched the funeral and felt absolutely exhausted? Absolutely exhausted. Just the parade goes on forever. There's so much involved. And I asked myself, the royal family have done that slow marching to that music behind that coffin now for 10 days all over the place. Oh my gosh, they must be absolutely exhausted. I know I'm exhausted. And I just watched it from my sofa. Can't imagine what a 70-year-old King Charles feels like. It's his mother after all, plus everything else he's had to do. Blimey, must be bloody exhausted. Oh, I mean, most people, when you die, if you're lucky, you have a nice funeral. Some people come and maybe a procession if you've got a lot of friends and stuff like that, a little procession. But you do it once, right? You do it once. The undertaker delivers the body and you take it to the funeral and that's it. One service, one thing. This has gone on like this now, intense like this for 10 days. Can you imagine? God, flippin' heck. I wouldn't want the role of king. Bloody hell. Anyway, everything is going how it should, in my honest perspective. I agree. I am not surprised by the markets. I'm prepared, and that's how you should be. If you're surprised by the markets, and the markets are catching you off guard, then you're doing something wrong, right? Nitz Farrell says it's sad. It is indeed. Thank you for all the follows over there on TikTok. Thank to all of you. Okay, just 15 minutes to go now before the bell goes. I apologise. I sound tired. I am tired. I've been up since 4 a.m. watching the funeral. So I'm bloody exhausted. I've been watching it all week, as you all know. Okay, so our poll so far only slightly says 0.75. So what we're going to do now, we're going to end the poll and we're going to take our top two positions 0.75 and 1. And let's see, if you don't have 0.5%, which way you would go. All right, 0.75% or 1. Now, if we get 0.75, the markets are going to react fairly well. They're going to go up. If we get 1%, the markets are going to react badly. Okay, so we'll end the poll now. And let's see which way we go now if we add into this rate hike. We are covering it live on Wednesday, of course. So now 0.75 and 1%. We've taken out the 15%, the 0.5% option now. Jazz me up, baby. Whoop, whoop, says Stephen Rowe. There you go. Jazz me coin. There we go. If we look at crypto right now, Ethereum is up 0.85. And Bitcoin is down 0.16 after a big drop overnight. Did you watch it during the night? I've been up most of the night, so I've been watching it live. Anyway. Let's see how we go. The S&P is down 0.62. Just over 10 minutes to go. The market is bouncing around a little bit this morning. You can see, I'll share with you what we have here. We had a massive sell-off. What time was this? This all happened at 3 a.m. this morning. 3 a.m. this morning. This happened. Well, that was a drop of plus 6.5 to need 2. So it's like 2.5% drop there. And I was able to access the market at 6 here. And we got a bit of a upswing, and I sold my Virgin Orbit for a profit just to secure my portfolio a little bit. And now we're trending sideways. So I'm going to ask you, because we want to end this poll, where you see the market going when the bell goes. When the bell goes, do you see us holding this position, going lower, or bouncing back somewhat? I don't think anyone's going to say we're going to have a green day, but do you think we'll bounce back? So would we go up slightly, the same, or drop? Let's have a look now then. Most people have said 67% have said 0.75. That's kind of the general feeling. I agree with that 100%. I think we're going to have 0.75, but the markets predicted we would get a 0.1 on the CPI, and we didn't. They said it would go down 0.1. It went up. So the markets got it wrong last week. So could they get it wrong again? If they get it wrong again and we're 1%, we're in all kinds of bother. And I think that's why the markets are reacting at the moment. 10% last week. We're already down to 1.5 today. I think we're preparing for a 75 or maybe even a 1. But anyway, let's hope you have prepared for a 1. And then if we get a 0.75, the markets will rally great. So there we go. So let's ask the next question. Next question is going to be today from here. So where I am right now, from here. Up. No one's expecting a green. Up. Same. So just trading sideways or down. Okay. So from where we are right now, we've already lost 1.5%. We lost 10% last week. Okay, not a great week. So from this position here, I can sustain that. Are we going to go sideways? Are we going to go up? Or are we going to go down? There you go. Will Ledwidge just said, I'm expecting a bounce back. Stephen wrote, it will drop to 0.007. Just wait, intrinsic value wasn't long ago. It was full penny. I think we're talking about Jasmine coin right now. To the moon. You know I don't like that phrase. Never buy a Jasmine when it goes up. Don't chase that coin ever. You should never chase any stock. That's the golden rule of investing. Don't chase anything. Absolutely. I need coffee. Oh my gosh. I need sleep. I've been up all night. Anyway, absolutely exhausted. Anyway, let's go back to our trading position. See where we are. Down 1.63, 9 minutes to go. And it's the lightning round. Now, I do apologize. The lightning round will not be full of energy this morning. I can barely keep my eyes open. I've been up all night, been following the Queen. I've been watching the last person file past the coffin, Queen in state. So there's going to be no crazy there's going to be no crazy horse race today here. I apologize. Some of you find it entertaining. Leave at 10 a.m. today, and we'll catch you later. I very well might do that. I just wanted to be here this morning because I think it's important. All right, we've got a wonderful audience watching us right now. One of our biggest for this time of the day. Thank you very much indeed. If you've just tuned in, let's go 40 likes. 40 likes before the bell goes in 1 minute. Here we go. So come on, everybody, we want 40 likes. If you're watching right now and you want the stocks to go up, you want to make money, it's like a magic trick. It really works. If you smash the like button, are you ready? Here we go. Let's drive the stocks up. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. Smash the like. Come on. We want 40 likes in the next 23 seconds. Preparing for the bell. So far, we're down 1.6 today. Very, very hard day. We're trying to survive. We've got a massive week Wednesday, and we want 40 likes. We want all the energy to come in. Share the video. Smash the like button. There we go. Let's end the clock just a second. Here we go. We got to 30. Not too bad. I did think at the time when I went 40 was pushing my luck a bit. But there you go. I went for it. Better to reach for the stars and hit the moon, right? Anyway, thank you very much, all those of you that liked the video. If you didn't, what can I do to make you like it? What can I do? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a look. Leave at 10 a.m. Thank you so much indeed, church. Virgin Galactic's going down. This is why I didn't buy it this morning. I'm holding. I'm also not selling because 6% down is not that great deal. And if I can lower my averages, I solve the problem that way. And then always pay you what to do it to smash the like button. All right, we've got just over 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Virgin Orbit, I took my profit. Tesla, it's holding. I still stand by. Tesla's going to have the best quarter in its history coming up soon. And when does it report? When's its next report? I think it's November, isn't it? October 19th. Yeah, 1 month today. 1 month today, I think. By the end of the year, my portfolio is going to be so much better than it is today. I just need to survive. That's basically, I think, the message for most people right now. We need to get through the winter, or at least part of the winter, with these incredible high fuel costs in the UK. So here we go. 5 minutes to go. We're getting ready. We're down 1.64. At the moment, we're trading sideways. So let's have a look. What does everybody think? Up 25%. Nobody really feels like it's going to go up. That makes perfect sense. But there's a little bit of sentiment there on the vote. What about the same? 31% and 44% say down. So the majority of you are the same or up. Less than half of you say down. So that's encouraging. So that would indicate that we're probably going to be about the same. And that's okay. If we can get through that, that would be good to me. And the fact we have 44% of you saying down, a little down because the rest of the majority is the same or up, I can survive that. So let's hope for that then. If the war ends by November, that's our wild card for a small pump. And it's completely doable. Completely doable. The war could end. People are saying we're in the long haul, but Russia, you know, have had a really bad couple of weeks. If it continues, I mean, no, the trouble is people are sort of pricing in, if you like, the fact Russia will rebound and come back. But Russia are extremely having an extremely difficult time right now. They might not be able to. So you never know. You never know. And this would be the West's opportunity now to really push forward and finish this. So it would be good to get it done. If so, Mr. Clockwork, green tomorrow, then 2, then a crash. That's what everybody thinks. Right. 3 minutes ago, it's not a war, it's a small cowboy fight. I like it. It's a small cowboy fight. Love it. Paul, but you do come out with the funniest things. Paul B says, it's just a little cowboy fight. I love it. Okay, so 3 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic. Robert Schiller, the Fed risks disagree if it doesn't control inflation. Fed risks not disagree, I beg your pardon. Fed risks disgrace if it doesn't control inflation. It has to control inflation. That's its job, right? So it's got to. All right. We're down 1.62. The S&P. We've got... you can see why I haven't sold my Virgin Galactic. It's still got some energy in at these prices. It's still got a little bit of action in these prices. It's not just falling away. Down 5.9 on an extremely high volatile stock as it is in this current climate is pretty good. So I can live with that. It's not low enough for me to go in anymore. And it certainly isn't high enough for me to trim off. Because if it gets to 560, I can trim off the 200 and get it back to 1400, which is the balance for my portfolio. Right now, it's slightly overweighted. It's been higher overweighted. I've had it at 1900, but for the very purpose of lowering the average and a quick trade. Right now, I can't sell it or buy it. I'm just holding it and waiting. Russian pop star lashes out against Ukraine war. Another nuclear plant hit by Russian strike. Another nuclear plant hit by Russian strike. Where's that? In Europe? I'm watching Silver close, he said, Stephen Rowe. Oh, 1 minute to go. Here we go. Coming up, Russian troops struck a nuclear power plant in the country's southern Mykolaiv region, but while its buildings sustained damage, its reactors are functioning normally. Ukrainian state energy reports. Why on earth would you target a flipping nuclear power station? I mean, what is the sense of that? Has Russia not realised that Ukraine's very close to Russia and they'll get radiated? I mean, I don't know. Seems pretty mental to me. I know, let's blow up a nuclear power station. Yeah, let's do that. And then we'll just all be dead. I mean, it's a great idea. Right, here we go. There's going to be no lightning round this morning. I am struggling. I'm feeling very, very weak this morning. Right, Virgin Galactic. Down. Let's get ready to ring the bell. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We are going down. Now, 38% of you said yes. We're still above our lowest position. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where are we going? Where are we going? We went up, we went down. Breaking news here. Biden says US forces would defend Taiwan in the event of a Chinese invasion. Oh my gosh. Down, up. Yeah. When it goes like this, you've got to stand back. Be calm. Virgin Galactic. There's no We've already had the sell-off this morning. We're down now 2%. I would buy Virgin Galactic if it goes lower, but not here. 522, because I'm at 559. I'm not that far away. Virgin Orbit. Typical. I took my profit. Never mind. The S&P's holding. That's now 18.5% of my portfolio, as you can see. So that's holding, in fact, coming up. My hit, what's bringing me down, is Virgin Galactic right now, but it's just holding. It's just it's bouncing around. It hasn't decided where it's going yet. It really isn't low enough, and I will sell some. I absolutely will. If we can get some kind of temporary pump to 550, 560, which could happen, I will sell 200. But right now, the overall portfolio is doing what we predicted. Even though most of you said down, only 42% was down. The rest, remember I said it'll be going sideways, and that's where we are. Looking at your, see, it's going sideways, slightly up from where we were, which is optimistic, right? I'm buying property in Chernobyl when the real estate crashes. Virgin Galactic, now you can see why I didn't sell. You can also see why I didn't buy. It's not much and it's very fragile. Virgin Galactic is very fragile. It could drop off. But get ready, if I did get a 150, 160 and it could happen, I would sell 200. The S&P's coming up. That's very encouraging. Again, not low enough to buy more, not high enough to sell. All I want to do is survive. And what I will do is if we can get something that pops, I could take a profit and then buy something that's dropped. Kind of makes sense, right? Tesla doing very well. Still 300, still 900 by its old measurements. Lucid. Polestar, doing nice. Arrival, not really doing anything really. I know it's up. Amazon, Apple, Robinhood. I don't see any opportunity at the minute. Really. Google is recovering. I would like to buy some more Google. I get paid tomorrow. Good time to double down on some of my stocks. Yep. Microsoft down 1%. Meta. Oh, Meta's had a nice recovery. That's a nice little bounce. We were down 1. We're now up 1.5% swing. Whoop, that's doing good. Oh, well, I am surprised we're going up this much. If we go back to the main portfolio, IonQ, let's see if I can find some profits from somewhere. We're now just 1% down. Walmart. I don't want to sell Walmart. I don't want to sell Target either. But I could do that. Tesco, bought the bottom. I'm very happy. Too risky at the minute. On. Tilray, still the same thing, not worth selling. Ginkgo, Enphase, I'm at 8% plus 65, so there you go, very good. Bitcoin SV is up, Bitcoin is up, and Ethereum is up. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. So as we predicted, going sideways, slightly up. I've just had some breaking news. McDonald's have just paid me a dividend and it's just been invested. That's good. So my portfolio would have a little boost, only by a small amount, but nevertheless, by a small amount. I can live with that. we're coming up. We're coming up quite quickly as well. Let me show you the overall portfolio. There we go. Virgin Galactic. Right, now then, if we can get a 550, 560, I will sell 200. That will put my portfolio in a very nice position. Trim back, take some profit. I'd love it. That would be, if I could ask for something to happen, that's what it would be. Huge dump by the end of the day, this means. 2 green days. Lucid, let's have a look at Lucid. Lucid's done well, holding up. I don't know if we're going to have a sell-off by the end of the day, though. All the hedge funds are scalping, yes. Dollar General spiking like crazy. Everything is all good. I'm just going to keep buying these for 3 to 5 years and move to Fiji. Rivian just falling down. Tesla doing well. Cannot write off Tesla. I'm so bullish on Tesla. It's ridiculous. I'm more bullish on Tesla than Virgin Galactic, to be honest. It's like a stock you just do not sell. Look at it, look. Despite all of this, I can't believe I sold my Virgin. I got it wrong this morning. I mean, you know, whatever. I took a profit. It doesn't matter, but unbelievable. I didn't have that much in it anyway. Wouldn't have made much difference, but never mind. Virgin Galactic, 528. If I can get 550, 560, don't know if it's going to happen, of course, but would be great. And it wasn't worth buying this morning either, because at 523 to 527, I mean, I've done it, but at the risk of it going lower, I think I've got enough invested in here, and my average is low enough. If you can't make money from Virgin Galactic at 559, then you'll never make money. Oh, by the way, I was doing some research on the CEO of Virgin Galactic, Michael Colgazia, and he used to run the entertainment section at Disney for events. So I like that. Many years at Disney with their experiences, so that was good. I like that. There's nothing worse than selling a stock that pumps the moment you sell it, is it? Tesla doing we can turn green. We can turn green on Tesla on a day like this. I mean, when you talk about the stocks being down 10%, Tesla is up 3.5% on the week. It's up 5% on the month. It's up 41% on the last 3 months. Let's get things in context. In fact, it's green on every single chart. So despite everything that's going on, Tesla, it's why it's a big part of the S&P. They're not stupid, but it's why I buy in addition to the S&P, because I am very pro this. I could have exposure to it by just owning the S&P, but because I'm more pro this than other things, I bought some, so I'm overweighted in Tesla, but you know, I'm a Tesla bull, so why wouldn't I be, right? And it just seems to keep delivering the goods. Virgin Galactic. We've got day trader of the day coming up. Let's read this here. He's good at marketing and will do that at Space. Yes, indeed. Ford, former president, is CEO of CSX. Now I'm considering selling. He knows nothing about railroads, in my opinion. Remember, I know my Ford company well. That's a reason he resigned. Remember, I know my Ford company well. There's a reason he resigned. Okay, thank you for that, Church. Friday the 16th was triple watching day. Individual stocks should run up this week, in my opinion. Virgin Galactic. Oh, we could even turn green today on my overall portfolio. If I can get 550, 560, watch me sell some. It doesn't matter if you tell me But why would you sell it? It's going to go to 100. It's not the point. I have to manage my portfolio responsibly. Take a profit. Nothing wrong with that. Tesla. Very close to turning green. Oh! Oh, yes. It's not there yet, folks. Not there yet. My overall portfolio, I can't believe it. Look at that. It's nearly green. Look at that. Now, I will sell some Tesla. I will sell some Virgin Galactic. SPY, VU, same thing. I will sell Virgin Galactic. I'll sell 100, maybe 200. Because we will get another drop, most likely. Oh. Oh. Come on. Wouldn't it be great? We're nearly green on the day. The S&P is moving up. Tesla's 304. Oh my gosh. This is very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. 304. Rivian. Lucid. Polestar. Arrival. Amazon. Apple. All these companies. McDonald's. Coke. Wow, turned green on Coke today. Microsoft. Meta. Yeah, who's dumped coming by Wednesday? Well, only if it's a 1%. If it's a 0.75 or half, no. If it's a 0.75, it's going to go up. As is, and it will explode if it's a half. If it's 1%, yeah. Who thinks 1%? We did that poll and most of you didn't think so. This makes no sense what's happening. It does to me. It makes perfect sense. We've reacted to the markets. People now have been able to buy back in and take profits again. Makes perfect sense to me. Remember, it's very different for big investors because they buy millions of dollars a share and a stock only has to move 1 cent for it to be viable. For me and you, it doesn't make any sense, does it? We have to have, big swings. But if you're investing $1 million or 10 million or 100 million or a billion and it goes up 1 cent a share, it's a big deal, right? So you can buy in at any point and sell out again. You don't really care. But anyway, this is 1.5 trillion buys in for SPY contracts today alone. Enphase Energy, up another 10%. Has anyone bought Enphase Energy yet? My top tip of the day, of the week, of the month, of the year, of the decade. 304, Tesla's running, as it should. It's only a month away from its earnings. Once we get any smidgen of potential, I predict the best earnings ever in history for Tesla. If you're selling now, you must be off your head. Tesla, October 19th, 4 weeks away. So news will start coming out of projections. Virgin Galactic didn't make enough money for me to exit a couple hundred shares. But if it hits 550, 560, I will. But they can go down a penny or 10, and you're absolutely right. Absolutely right, Bill. And that happens all the time. But remember, investors who trade like that are professional investors, and they do options trading. Completely different thing. How many different Coca-Cola stocks are there? That's a good question. I have no idea. This is the Coca-Cola that Warren Buffett owns. This is the Coca-Cola that I own. This is the main one, KO. I don't know if there's I didn't know there was others, but this is the one that I own. This is the one that's on the S&P 500. I can't tell you more than that. It had me so confused. KO, 100%. This is the right one. I didn't know there was other ones, but anyway, I've turned green. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Can you believe it? Look at that. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Who would have thought it? Who would have thought it? Only for a glimpsing moment, but never mind. I can live with it. Hedge, humped, huge dump, like I said, coming. They think rally on Wednesday. Mason Kirk, exactly. Then sell all that off Friday. Green again. It keeps flashing in between green and not. Right, we've got day trader of the day coming up very soon. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for joining me. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And if you've just tuned in this morning, thank you ever so much for being here. Please subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. And if you could smash the like button, that would be absolutely great. If we can get 40 likes this morning, I'd really appreciate it. It puts the energy into the show, drives the stock ups. I'm extremely tired today. It's not going to be a long show today due to the fact I've been up all night with the Queen's funeral. I watched the last person walk past the Queen in state. Watched it from the 4 a.m. this morning. So... there we go. And thank you for all of you that took part in the 1 minute silence with us this morning. Virgin Orbit. I read that right, even though I didn't time it perfectly. I did expect it to go down, and it has. So I took my profit from Virgin Orbit, and I will buy back again shortly. Virgin Galactic. Oh, come on. You were so tempting me at the options this morning. But nevertheless... let's check our crypto. Up 2% Ethereum now. All inflation-proof stocks are going down right now and are undervalued. Americans are clueless on the economy. Things don't turn around this quickly. They don't. But remember, the prices of stocks does not reflect the economy. The prices of the stocks reflect humans buying in and out, trying to scalp and make money. Nothing more. Nothing more. Balance sheets is what is the state of the economy. This isn't. This is just a cattle market of crazy people screaming at screens, trying to make money. It's why I try to be calm and step back, and don't be in the pit. Be the manager on the ring around the top, and just. Always buy the dips, always lower my averages, hold as long as I can, trade if I need to, but really distance myself from what's going on. I wouldn't be getting all excited. No, I'm not excited about the pump at all. I know it's going to drop, which is why I'm not selling it, why I'm not buying it. And I'm really only watching for the opportunities to trim off the top and buy the dips. That's all. The only thing I'm doing here is trimming off the top if it presents itself. And the only one I want to trim is Virgin Galactic, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. And then buy back on something. Even now, I wouldn't buy the S&P right now. I'd expect for the next drop again. But only safe buy is Tesla. I'm not buying Tesla for the simple reason I have 39 shares of it. It's 15% of my portfolio, and I'm expecting it in the next month with the earnings to perhaps become 20 or even 25% of my portfolio. Then that would be enough. That would be extremely bullish on one stock. So it makes no sense to me whatsoever to buy some more. Pointless. And one thing I hate as well is seeing my averages go up. I like them going down. I don't like chasing a stock, especially when I'm already in and I've allocated enough of my money to it. And to be perfectly honest, this stock on its old price structure could be $3,000 or $4,000 in 2 or 3 years' time. So on that basis, $1,200 a share. So let's call it $1,000, something like that. That's a 3x from here. You know, that's fine. That's $33,000, isn't it? That's great. Good morning, Caden. Welcome to you. Detroit Auto Show this week. Ford is winning over the crowd, I'm reading. I saw Joe Biden driving around in a Cadillac electric car. High five for Ford. I own Ford. Courtesy of the Church of Logic, who is going to donate 5 memberships for me to buy Ford. And I did that. And I said, rather than give me the money, I said, donate 5 memberships. That way, the members get the benefit. So I own about $70 worth of Ford, and I'm going to be adding more to that because I want to reduce my average on it. So anyway, did you all notice the member-only videos now that are coming out? The members-only live streams, the members-only chats that are happening. We now have 100 and let me have a look. 100 and where is it? How many do we have now? Members. Let's have a little look. We now have, it's incredible, really. Incredible. We have an average of 40 people watch a live show. We have 109 members. Incredible. All right? 109. Here it is on the screen. I want to show you. I like to always show you everything. 109 members. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. I do expect to see some drop off because some were donated, and that does happen, but nevertheless, that's phenomenal. Stephen Rowe, one of our members, has asked for Ford. Yes. Of course we can. I've got a very small position. Because I own it, I'll probably make some videos on it and add to it when it drops. Here's my position on Ford, just 5 shares at the moment. And you never know, I might buy some more. Who knows? I'm up at the moment. There's my Ford position. Right, we've turned green. We have absolutely turned green. We've got day trader of the day coming up in a second. There we go. Look at that. Awesome. The S&P has really come up. That's come up the most, and that's why I've moved more of my money into it to protect my portfolio from things like Virgin Galactic right now. You know, worst case scenario. Right. Virgin Orbit slowly getting a chance to buy back in again. So we're looking for it. We're looking for it. Tesla, 305. Look at that. We're nearly on a... Wow, look at that. We're on a high now. Look at that. We're on a 3-month high. Heading towards its earnings. Look at that. Very, very good. About time. What was that? Well, owning Ford. If I can just get some money out of Virgin Galactic, I will put some money on the side. I'll take a little bit off the table. I want 560 and above. I don't think it's going to happen today. There's no reason why it would, but you never know. Thank you very much indeed for joining me over on TikTok today. Thank you so much indeed. If you want to be part of our cash prize giveaway, we do it every single Friday. The link's in the profile just up here on YouTube. Has everybody joined in? Has everybody entered our cash prize giveaway for Friday on YouTube? Guys, did you get the newsletter? Have you all opened it and taken part? Never go there. 5.6, 5.45. You don't think so, Stephen? What, like never? What, never ever? Even when they fly next year? Never ever ever? I mean, what? What are we saying? Not quite sure I agree with that. So, we just sold for $3.69. Yes, I bought in at $3.61. We're now buying it back at $3.60. Great. Perfect. Right, we are green. 0.13 overall portfolio. Perfect. It's now time to buy Virgin Orbit again. Perfect. I'm actually buying it for less than I bought it last time, and I just sold it for a profit. Not a great deal, but enough to make a difference. I'm sitting on the sidelines till Thursday. Virgin Orbit, I want to buy back in. Down 2%. Week low. Yeah, 330. I like it here. I like it here. Ready to buy Virgin Orbit. Looking at my history, 377. My overall history on this stock, and I've made money on it each time. 377, 330. 330 is the lowest. So that's not too bad. I would probably have an allocation of somewhere in the region of $1,000. So if I bought now at 357, anywhere around here now, I think I can return a profit on it. There's good news around the corner. I'll scalp space all week. 354, 353. Uh, 2% drop, and then wait for another. Thank you, Don Gio, for the subscription. Still heading down. I've just bought 100 shares again. And I'll buy it if it goes down again. Another 5%. Virgin Galactic, we're still trying to get out of it. The overall portfolio is just dropping a little bit. We're getting our first morning return. Looks like we're getting a breakout forming here on Virgin Galactic. You see how the peaks and the troughs, what you look for is it getting narrower and smaller, and then it breaks out one way or the other. You don't know which way it's going to go, of course, but it's tightening its swings. It gets smaller and smaller, and then breaks out one way or the other. We don't know, but that's what's formed. If it goes up again now and to a small amount, it ends up here. That's what's forming, but I don't know if it's forming yet. But that's potential where it could be going. Open the chart bigger, please, for space. Okie doke. I'll put the candles on the screen for you. You can see the volume. There's your candles. Whoops, a daisy. Virgin Orbit. There we go. You see why I bought it in. Volume, please. The Fibonacci, please. MACD, please. MACD, please. Oh, all right. It's not that kind of show, and you know it. You know it's not. I can share all those, but it's not what we do here. That's a very different sort of show. But yeah, I've got all those charts available, but we're not using those on this show. I can give you all the RSI, the MACDs, I can give you everything. So I know you can't see it from this position. You can see it more now, right? Okay. But I'd need to change screens for you if you want to do that. We can see enough from this, in my opinion, to get to give me direction of where it's going. Josh, I know you are. Stephen Rowe, I tried. I say buy to trim the average. My average is low enough, and to subject my portfolio to a further expense right now, when it could go lower, is not the right thing to do. Virgin Orbit, I will try and take a quick scalp trade if we can go back up 2%. Make a small amount of profit. If it goes lower, I'll buy some more. Happy with that. All right, let's do day trader of the day. I'm going to take a short break because I am extremely tired. I've been up all night long. So let's bring everybody up to date. Here's a quick commercial break, then we'll have day trader of the day, and then we're back this afternoon for the closing bell. Hopefully I've had some sleep in between then. All right, here we go. And we're back. Right, so day trader of the day. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much indeed. All right. You've made TikTok sub only not fair. Sned Berry Sloan. No, the TikTok people that can watch me can still watch the same. They can still message me. They just can't chat to me on the screen because we have 25,000 followers now, and it just gets crazy. So what I do now is only my subscribers can ask me to review stocks. If they subscribe to me and they want me to review a stock, or they want me to make a video on a stock, I want to be able to do that. Whereas if I've got 25,000 people following through, it's chaos. So I want to give a best service to my subscribers. Those that just want to scroll through and just spend 10 seconds on my channel are not really interested in the stocks. They're just scrolling through TikTok. People on YouTube will watch me 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night. The average person on TikTok watches me for about 4 seconds. They're scrolling through. So what I want to do is give a better quality experience for my subscribers, as I do here on YouTube. Sub only, not fair. Well, why is it not fair? You can still watch. You can talk to me on YouTube. So what difference does it make? It's providing the best quality service for my committed audience that actually want the content, rather than just scrolling through looking for other things. Anyway, I hope that explains. Day trader of the day then, please, folks. Go to your main portfolio and let's do it. I am down at the moment. Nitz Farrell, it's not fair. Life's not fair, is it? 0.71. Everything I do is to give everyone the best experience. It's not for my benefit. Otherwise, I just make videos. I love doing it. 0.71. When the first person posts their score, we'll give you a 1-minute timer. Here we go. Here come the scores. Down 0.68. So Shad goes into the lead. Thank you, Bill. How are you, Bill? Thanks for all the follows. Thank you so much, everybody on TikTok. Church is down 0.94. Steam over on Twitch is down 0.25. Nitz Farrell down 3.5. So the winner so far. Sid Arthur is down 0.43. Eat Ethereum ripping for me. Queen of self-rating. TikTok can't draw over other apps, but YouTube can't. So I do other stuff while following. Hang on a minute. Let me just read that out a second. TikTok can't draw over other apps, but YouTube can't. So I do other stuff while following. Okay, Sned, it was wonderful to have you here. Thank you very much for being part of it, and we look forward to you becoming part of our family here. You'll see nearly everyone's a member, and we're here live 10 hours a day to support you, help you. This is my real trades, my real money. Anyway, you are the best, says Queen. Thank you so much indeed. Up, Dwayne Palmer. Dwayne Palmer. Yes, we just got a welcome. TikTok can. Sorry. No problem at all. YouTube actually can as well. YouTube can actually stream over the top if you update the app. I don't know what phone you've got, but TikTok can actually, YouTube can actually play over the top. I do it all the time. Anyway, Snedbury, Sloan's wonderful to have you here. Everybody, please give you a warm welcome in. It's a shorter show today because I'm exhausted. I've been up all night with the Queen, so I'm going to finish the show right now. But anyway, it looks like our winner today, we actually have an up, Dwayne Palmer. So we want to thank Dwayne Palmer. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There you go. Absolutely awesome. How cool is that? Yes, Church of Self-Braiding. Church of Self-Braiding. Church of Self-Braiding. Love it. Well, Dwayne Palmer, that's a great score. Congratulations to you. Apologise that I'm going to end the show early today. I absolutely exhausted. We tried to respect the Queen. We decided to run a show today after the funeral, of course. We took a 1 minute vow of silence, of course, together. That was nice. Roll the credits. Someone's trying to give me a break. I love it. Well done, William Wallace. I'm very disappointed with Space. I'm not disappointed with Space at all. Remember, Alex, when you say that, you say you're disappointed with Space. What you should be saying is you're disappointed with the investors of Space. This is why SpaceX doesn't go public. SpaceX would be like Virgin Galactic on steroids. People who know nothing about the stock, who think space is like Star Trek or something, or Elon Musk is a hero, would buy the stock, his haters would short it, and Elon Musk goes, I don't want any part of that. Virgin Galactic needed to raise money. Elon Musk doesn't, so he doesn't need to go public. He may never do it. So with Virgin Galactic, because it's space, and it's the only real space stock we have, really, there are some other ones, but nothing like this. It has the sort of rock and roll temperament of Elon Musk. And remember, what I'm talking about is people, not charts. And it's people that are greedy, excitable, inexperienced, unknowledgeable of Virgin Galactic, unknowledgeable of the stock, and trade it up, short it down. And at the end of the day, until it has good news, and remember, no news is good news, but people who are impatient or very young investors who just want to make money in 5 minutes think, wow, this is like a cryptocurrency. I can go to the moon and buy space and all the rest of it. That's why this stock is very volatile, but it presents opportunity for real investors to buy it. And if you wanted to know why Richard Branson sold it when he did, obviously, this is why. Richard Branson will probably buy it back. He probably knows it's going to go to $3, $4, and he'll probably buy it back. I don't know if he already has it back, but the point is, people questioned him and went, why did he sell it? Well, I'm the most bullish space Virgin Galactic stockholder in the world. I've sold it 1,000 times. But my knowledge and understanding of the stock is still there. I believe in the company. I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, roll the credits. I need to cut the yard. Okay, is base going to crash? Well, what do you call crashing? Roll and base man, roll the credits, roll I2 because the company is not giving enough updates on daily operations. I think it will hit $1.11. 111. All right, that's a good number. Why not? The church logic, what kind of daily updates do you want? Today, Dave made 17 seat covers and Stephen had it. Exactly. That is so... I did a video on this. Exactly. You've got people working at the factory. And if you follow LinkedIn, they're advertising more and more job positions every single day. They're building in the desert. They're building the hotels for the families to stay in. They're linking it up to all the other Virgin experiences to make the whole package work. They're busy. But like you say, what are they going to do? Come on here and say, all right, shareholders, immature 18-year-old traders on Robinhood, who buy and short and sell our stock every 5 seconds. Today we've had a sandwich and whatever. We're building rockets. What do you want us to say? I mean, they're building rockets. When they're ready, they'll fly them. It's simple as that. They do their reports. Richard Branson is known for selling out. Well, he's not selling out at all. He's just making a good investment. Why would you not sell out? He can buy it back at any time he wants. Bullish divergence on space for the 4 hour from the RSI. Thank you, John. Really tough for space holders. It's not tough. It's not tough. If you've overextended yourself, it is. But if you know why you bought it in the first place, like Warren Buffett says, he loves the red days. Roll the bloody credits. Roll the credits. Roll the nap time. You're right. You're right. I'm trying to get out of here, but I answer everyone's question. All right. But appreciate you telling me off because you're absolutely right. I should go to sleep. He loves this stock. I like making money, and I see it as an opportunity to make money. I don't care about the stock. I care about making money. That's simple. Roll the bloody credits. All right, I'll roll the bloody credits. Here we go. Let's see you all in a bit. Thank you so much indeed. I'll see you back for this afternoon for the closing bell. Thank you very much for being here. Have a wonderful afternoon. Go and watch some more Queen. Go and watch some more of that. If 10 days you want some more, it's your last day, because after the day things get back to normal. and it will come back to normal in a bump. Because Wednesday we're having the FOMC report live here on the show, and we've got the fuel crisis in England, we've got the war, we've got plenty to get on with once the funeral's over, and that will be over by today. Right, have a good day, jokes. Rocket Labs is no contest at all. Doesn't have the Virgin branding, all the money behind it, so not interested in Rocket Labs. If I'm going to be in the stock, I'll be in Virgin Galactic. Is he still talking? Yes, we're rolling the credits. Can you sort see them? Thanks for the moderators. Mike, you did a rubbish job today. Subscribers, Charlie Gonzalez, Ben Penalva, and Don Gallo. I'm rolling the bloody credits. Someone asked Leah if he's always like this. The credits are rolling, right? What more do you want? I can't roll them at speed. All right, rubbish job. You did. Rubbish job. All right. All right, you're all forgiven. Everyone's tired. Everyone's been watching the Queen for a week. And there you go. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. We just gained another 3 subscribers during the show. Look at that. We had 4,906. We now got 4,909. Brilliant. They will watch us burn from space. Virgin will provide shelter for the rich when Earth gets a beating. Yeah, that's likely to happen. See you later, mate. Thank you ever so much indeed. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Thanks for being here. Have a wonderful afternoon. Go and have some rest. Have a cup of tea. I'll have some sleep. And tomorrow we'll be back to normal. Between now and then, though, take care of yourselves and each other.